Eagles are one of the most recognized birds in the world. They are also one of the most powerful and largest birds of prey. Eagles are very strong and can carry up to 4 times their own weight. They are also very fast and can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour when they are diving. Eagles are found in many different parts of the world and are a symbol of strength, power, and freedom. Eagles have keen eyesight and can spot their prey from far away. They have a wingspan of up to 8 feet, which is one of the largest of any bird.